Malignant cur, heathen, redemption awaits. Evil will not avail you. Burn, heathen!
Here!
Whoosh! I cannot do that yet, as the light commands. With piety, very well. I have faith in your judgment. Arctar sanctorum. I am out of manner. The light always illuminates the just cause. A soul without light will fill with malcontent and dissolve into shadow. War makes victims of us all. I sense a great evil in our midst. Beware, the shadow works in many ways to gain you as its ally. Hey, I wondered if I could talk to you about soul.
Bring out your dead. Bring out your dead.
Where are all the pretty pictures? Holy water with red food colouring gives you wings. Yes, occasionally I indulge myself in the darker arts. Let me show you what I mean. Rest in peace. Within the wrath of the light there is redemption. Come and see.